Question 3. Professor Rosthorpe, which if you notice has got his professor backwards, has an unusual clock. The clock shows the correct time at noon, but the hands move anti-clockwise rather than clockwise. The clock is very accurate, however, so the hands move at the correct speeds. If you looked in a mirror at Professor's clock at 1:30 p.m, which of the following would you see? So the best way I've got to describe this is actually by drawing it. This is Professor's clock, and the numbers will go the opposite direction. So 1 would be where the 11 is. And therefore this would show 1:30 a.m. or p.m. We're looking at it in a mirror, if you looked at it in a mirror. So therefore we're looking at a reflection, and therefore what we're doing is looking at it the other way around. And this is actually the normal time. So this would be a 1 just here, 12 up here, 6 down here. So we're actually looking at A, which is the regular way round, although the 12 will be in reverse because we're looking in a mirror. So the answer is A.